Good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the best educational consultants. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, and giving my video a thumbs up. We really appreciate. Thanks. Now look at the board. Look at the board. You know the first one we did was on mangrove swamp. Am I lying? So this one is on what? Tropical rainforest. So now look at the board. Where are you going to find this tropical rainforest? Eh? Eh? Remember is not. Remember is not. Are you hearing me? So the answer is what? Eh? Name answer. The answer is Kano. Kano is talking about Sudan. He's talking about what? Savannah. They are northern side. So they're talking about Savannah. So know that these ones are found in tropical rainforest. Apart from what? Apart from, so you jot this one down and learn and start reading them. Do you understand? So I'll ask a small question now. What state can you find mangrove swamp? Mangrove swamp. Eh? Where can you find tropical rainforest? Tropical rainforest. The one for tropical rainforest. I don't know that bend there. I'm thinking that bend there is it Abia State? You know, Delta State. Because I'm confused because there's one in Abia State. That's one they call Bende. Bende. About Rivers is Abia State. I know there is Bende. But this one is talking about Delta. It's talking about, so it means that Delta, are you not seeing that this one is not related to the other one in little stuff? Just like this one added Imo and Trepo. Bende is talking about Delta. According to, you can use Delta to code it. Delta to do what? So you can use Delta. Do you understand? This one is not the answer. So then we ask one of the states. You can see tropical rainforest is that. So know them and know this. And know what? Thanks for watching.